Unfolding creativity. The charm of paper snowflakes. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a delightful and artistic part of the English language and culture, paper snowflakes. These aren't just a craft, but a symbol of creativity, uniqueness, and the joy of winter seasons in many English-speaking countries. So, grab your scissors, and let's unfold the beauty of paper snowflakes together. Paper snowflakes are handmade decorations that mimic the intricate and unique patterns of natural snowflakes. They are crafted by folding paper in specific ways and making cuts to create symmetrical, lace-like designs. Each paper snowflake is unique, symbolizing the natural phenomenon where no two snowflakes are exactly alike. They are commonly made during the winter season and are a popular activity for children and adults alike. In many English-speaking countries, paper snowflakes are a charming part of winter and Christmas decorations. They bring a whimsical, wintry vibe to homes, classrooms, and workplaces. Beyond just decoration, making paper snowflakes is a bonding activity, where families or friends gather to share stories, laughter, and creativity. 1. Materials needed. You'll need a square piece of paper and a pair of scissors. Optionally, you can use a pencil to sketch your design before cutting. 2. Folding the paper. Fold the paper diagonally to form a triangle. Continue folding the triangle into smaller triangles until you can't fold it further. 3. Cutting the design. Snip away parts of the folded paper. You can create any design you like, from simple cuts to intricate patterns. 4. Unveiling the snowflake. Carefully unfold the paper to reveal your unique snowflake design. Precision in folding. Make sure your folds are sharp and precise for symmetrical designs. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try different patterns. The beauty of paper snowflakes lies in their uniqueness and diversity. Thickness of paper. Thicker paper can lead to more defined patterns, but it's harder to cut. Find the right balance for your skill level and scissors. Paper snowflakes are more than just winter decorations. They're a celebration of uniqueness, creativity, and the spirit of togetherness during chilly seasons. We hope you enjoyed learning about them and are inspired to create your own. Remember, every snowflake you make is a special piece of art, just like each one of you. Stay creative and keep learning.